Shall we begin our job, my friend? When the bird started to warble an enchanting tune, Princess Rose joined it in the song. And everyone in the kingdom fell asleep and had sweet dreams all through the night. Thus passed the years. Every evening, Princess Rose, along with the little golden bird, sang a loving lullaby so that all people fell asleep and had sweet dreams all through the night. Until one day, something terrible happened. A wicked witch learned about Princess Rose and decided to put a curse on her. Abracadabra, simsalabim, may the rose's color dim. And Princess Rose's hair instantly turned black as tar. Oh no, my hair! Rose went out on her balcony and clapped her hands. But when the golden bird appeared, her hair glowed black instead of red. What happened with your hair? Warbled its enchanting melody, and Princess Rose sang her lullaby. Everyone in the kingdom fell asleep, but that night they only had bad dreams and nightmares. The following day, the saddened princess asked she dipped her hair into the rose water, and it instantly turned red again. It really worked. Thank you, Mr. Bird. That evening, when the bird perched on her shoulder, the radiant red glow of her hair lit up the night sky once more. The princess and the golden bird sang their lullaby, and everyone in the kingdom fell asleep and had sweet dreams all through the night. The wicked witch was so very angry that her curse had been broken that she decided to cast it again. Abracadabra, simsalabim, may the rose's color dim. And the princess's hair instantly turned as black as tar again. Only this time, the witch also picked up all of the rose blooms in the entire kingdom. Let's see how you'll break my curse. the red hair turned into a red rose. Oh, a rose! The prince picked the rose and took it up to the princess. Upon seeing the rose, she immediately brushed off her tears and plucked its petals to add to the water in the basin. Then she dipped in her hair, and the curse was broken. Everyone gasped in astonishment. The king then asked the prince, "Young man, where did you find that red hair?" "When the princess and I were both children, I picked a single strand of hair from her head as a sign of my loyalty to her, and she did the same to me, pulling out a strand of my own hair." "It's true, father," and showed him a little box. She opened it to reveal a single hair from the prince's head inside. Everyone was delighted with this news. The prince and Princess Rose got married on that very same day. Upon learning that her curse had been broken again, the wicked witch's evilness swelled so much that she exploded into 1,000 tiny pieces. Eventually, rose blooms sprang up in every garden in the kingdom once again. And so it went. Each evening, Princess Rose sang her loving lullaby so that all people fell asleep and had dreams all through the night. The end.